Hey guys, what's up? So I'm talking to you today from sunny Tobago, of course on my honeymoon currently for a couple of days. And I just wanted to make a short video sharing with you some of the foods that I would normally eat, something like my go-tos. Now there's a few restaurants that are unfortunately not open due to the restrictions currently in Trinidad and Tobago, but there are a few places that I really love that are still doing takeaway services. So I'm going to go over the next few days and check out a few of these spots and just document it, and of course I'll put all the information I can about any of these relevant places in the comment section below. So if you come to Tobago, you can also check it out if you think you would like it. These are just some of my personal favorites. My wife and I are going to go check it out each night of the week. So I hope you enjoy. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. And yeah, other than that, like and subscribe and share. I appreciate all your support you've given me thus far, and I'm really enjoying making these videos for you guys. So without further ado, let's go and get some food to eat. Peace out. Hi baby, so what's dinner tonight?
Dinner tonight is lobster from, what is it? Tobago Paradise Grill.
Yeah.
They said it should be enough for 2 people.
They said there should be enough for 2 of us. And I would certainly say it looks like enough for 2 of us. Wouldn't you agree?
That is way too much. That's
way too much?
I'm terrified.
Alright guys, so Tobago Paradise Grill is located in Pigeon Point. And it's one of the nicest, best lobster you can have in all of Tobago. Now normally you can go there and dine in, and they have this beautiful little patio that's right on the ocean, and it can hold about 8 people, so they don't take many reservations. However, of course at the moment it's closed, but luckily for me they are doing takeaway at this point, so we did bring home some to have, and we get to enjoy one of our favorite meals in the comfort of our home, and hopefully next time we come over we'll be able to go and dine in there. But thank you very much Paradise Grill. Truly beautiful, large lobsters and very fair pricing. So go and check them out next time you're in Tobago. So just for some perspective, we both have a lobster each, fries, coleslaw, and then there's still 2 more lobsters inside the foil. And that one, this entire meal costs us 660 TT dollars. So I think that's a pretty good bargain. So yeah. Next stop on the food list is Ankaban Grill on Mount Irving Beach, Tobago. And this place here is a bar that has been on this beach for the longest time since I was a young boy surfing. And they've built up and created a beautiful beach bar, which is also now a bit of a takeaway sit-down on the beach restaurant. The bar is closed due to all the lockdowns and everything, but they're still offering a takeaway service right now. We've ordered our favorite thing, which is the fries with the sweet and sour chicken. Real justice and tastes so good. So today's lunch, you'll see my wife here is holding a Crix, and that's because we got a fresh delivery of ceviche from Blair Gomez, who's a local fisherman on the island. Hand caught fish every day of the week and make this lovely authentic ceviche, and we just can't wait to dig into it. So we're gonna open it up now and have a little try. Damn, that looks delicious. Stephanie is struggling. Is it good?
Very good.
And this particular ceviche is made from lionfish, which is an invasive species to the reefs of Tobago, as well as a combination of amberjack as well too. And this man can make a ceviche. I tell you that right off the bat. Stephanie done shaking it. Well, let me eat some too now. Oh Lord. I'm just joking. So yeah, check out the Captain Blair Gomez ceviche whenever you come into Tobago. Great service, great portions. 2 pounds is $150. This could feed at least 3 to 4 people if you're snacking or having a lime here. Highly recommend it, so check him out.
You want me to eat it too?
You could eat it, yeah.
I wasn't going to.
Go ahead. So today guys, we're feeling for something a little bit healthier than the other foods we've been eating. And we've come down into Buku to a place called Quench. Now Quench makes these really delicious fruit juices, all natural stuff that they use, no added preservatives or sugars. So it's one of my favorite spots when I do come to Tobago. So today's meal is a bittersweet one. It's by far one of our favorite things in Tobago and the best pizza in my opinion in Tobago. But sadly they're closing down and moving back to Italy due to the struggling economy. So luckily we caught them before they actually shut down shop. So we're gonna have a little slice now to celebrate. So we got a nice all cheese pizza as well as a meat combination. And these things are to drool for. Stephanie and I are sad that they're closing down, but
so sad.
it is very sad.
Big taste.
And our next stop today is Lega's Eatery. Now you can find this place right in Blackrock near the Pizza Boys and that kind of area there. It's right off the left hand side of the road. And on most mornings during the week they make these really awesome breakfasts with fresh fried bakes, coconut bake, eggs, bacon, fried fish, all kind of beautiful stuff. But today we come in for the fried bake and the eggs and bacon. Awesome food. Stephanie's happy. Yes, please.
Pepper, garlic.
Just a little touch of pepper. Now good. We must have your breakfast with a beautiful view, of course. Stephanie can't wait on me, of course, so she's gonna be digging in. Let me know how it is, babe.
Oh my god.
Ooh!
An avocado.
Can you even bite it?
I don't know.
Go ahead, let me see. Very good. Yummy stuff. So, this completes our little tour of Tobago's foods, at least the kind of stuff that we aim for. There's many other restaurants and different things that I really love over here. Of course, they're closed at the moment, so another time I will review them. But thank you very much for you guys tagging along as usual. Check me out every Saturday, because I tend to post videos on Saturdays instead of Sundays now. And until then, have a great, safe week. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Please subscribe, share the videos, and you guys be safe. Thank you very much again. Peace out.